Let's go and try this again. First time that I was talking, it started to go in a clip for some reason. And I'm just not learning how to use this camera. So what I hate is when I'm talking, and all of a sudden the voice becomes so distorted. Because if I can't understand what I'm saying, I know that you guys can't understand what I'm saying. So we're going to try this out again. I am rocking the Vixia HC V70. I just got it from Best Buy. And I'm just going through the, just giving it a test run. So what I'm going to do is, I have my wireless lavalier attached. I had to go ahead and do some soul searching through this thing to try to go in and get the proper volume. So I'm hoping that it works. So I'm going through the room. Just knocked my arm up against the door. Tapping up against the door in the other room. And hopefully what I hear is something consistent. Let's see. Alright, so I'm performing a test video. Next time I want to yell about something, I can do it like this. So I would say, let's try to zoom this in a little bit. Punch in a little bit. So I would say that this thing exposes well, depending on where I am with sunset. Now I could help it out with some light, but right now, for a 1/3 sensor, this don't look too bad at all. But we will see as soon as it plays back. Let's see what audio it is. Is it clipping? I do not think so. No, it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the other side of the room. Now, of course, this thing includes that I go ahead and walk this thing around, see how it transitions through the light. Got a messed up knee, so this is going to be a little bit wobbly. So let's go ahead and take this thing through its paces. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and get that gain down. Or up. No, down. Let's get that shutter up. And the aperture up. Let's see if automatic could do any more better. But for the sake of argument, I set the camera to let's see how good it is at, you know, switching the when the camera takes control. Because when I take control, it wasn't too much of a good result. So we're going to take the same walk around the corner. And just try to see the type of, you know, result that we get. Now with the auto settings, with the camera taking control, things are a little bit, you know, more dimmer. However, not too bad. The camera is just as heavy, and I think most of my, exhaustion dealt with me like trying to handle the camera and try to go in and go through the settings when I barely know anything about this damn camera. But we're going to see how this stuff works, and I'm pretty sure, I'm going to cut out a whole lot of the movement in this camera due to me trying to handle that, but that's the power of editing. So as I'm going through the neighborhood, I can help but see a whole lot of overexposure. Felt like it was important that I seen this on the video just to gauge and do the same damn test. Ooh, my shoulder is burning. Alright, so there's a stop sign way ahead. Let's see. Do the slow. If you place it into automatic, you lose that like two times zoom from the manual setting. But it can go in and capture the stoplight. And it stops all the camera shaking, because after you zoom in, it kind of exaggerates any type of movement that you make. So we tested this. We figured out that it is heavy on the shoulders and arms. And it's trying. It's a little bit of a workout to handle. And I mean, when you get a camera, you want to know that you can go and take it out, and that when you look at that bag, you don't look at it as a workout. You look at it kind of like, a leisurely thing. So, yeah, after that, it hurts, because I was looking at this camera for a while, and it's good in concept, but damn, isn't it a workout? So after that, it's going back.